As a professional chef, sweetness is one of the checks that go off in my mind when I'm tasting food. It doesn't necessarily have to be a dessert. It could be, a vinaigrette, or it could be a sauce. You go through this checklist. Does it have the right balance? Is it sweet for sweetness sake? Does it have the right amount of acid? Does it have the right amount of savoriness to it? I chose to make recipes using sugar as a neutralizer or a balancer. In fact, big bold flavors like soy, balsamic, fish sauce, and sugar came through for me in some of the savory dishes, just to balance and tone some of those flavors down a bit.